Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating the PS5 and choosing a quality USB adapter. This ensures compatibility and reduces input lag. Once done, plug the keyboard into a USB port and the mouse into the second port or hub. You should see basic pointer movement or key responses on the system level. If not, disconnect and retry different ports because some hubs need direct console power. Make sure to leave the controller nearby for confirmations and system prompts you will accept later. Next, you open Marvel Rivals and navigate to controls so the game can detect keyboard and mouse input. This is where functionality is bound to actions. After detection, map movement, primary and secondary abilities, camera, and menu keys to match your playstyle, because default layouts can be counterintuitive. Then adjust mouse sensitivity and key repeat so aiming and combos feel natural. Make small changes and test in practice mode to understand how each tweak affects your timing and accuracy. Finally, you validate settings by entering the practice arena and running through movement, combos, and aim to verify responsiveness. This reveals latency or mapping gaps. If something feels off, refine dead zones, DPI, and specific key bindings incrementally, because small changes have big effects on consistency. If the keyboard or mouse is unrecognized, reboot the PS5, swap USB ports, try another adapter, or update the adapter firmware. These steps resolve most detection and latency issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.